brief introduction of business and the economic and non-economic activities. So in this class, so we are going to discuss about the meaning and characteristics of business. Meaning and the characteristics of business. So we already know the brief introduction of business. So business is the word derived from the Latin word busy. So busy is nothing but the being busy. So being busy in the sense, so the people are engaged in one particular activity. So they are always engaged in one particular activity. So that thing we are considered as the busy. So business is nothing but it is one of the economic activity. Business is one of the economic activity. So we already know in our day-to-day life the human being here involving various different types of activities. Okay, these activities are classified into two types. One is the economic activities, another one is non-economic activity. Okay, but only for the economic activities should be considered as the business. Okay, so that's why business means business is an economic activity with the production and sale of goods and services. Okay, business is an economic activity, so its production and sale of goods and services for the purpose of earning profit. For the purpose of earning profit with the satisfaction of human needs. Satisfaction of human needs. Alright, basically business is nothing but business is one of the economic activity. It involving production and sale of goods and services for the purpose of earning profit with the satisfaction of human needs. So this will be considered as the business. Okay, so business is always profit oriented. Okay, so without profit there is no business. But the main intention of business is the satisfying the human needs and wants. So this is the meaning of business. Okay, let's discuss about the characteristics of the business. The first characteristic is, so business is an economic activity. Economic activity. You already know business is one of the economic activity. So economic activity in the sense. So why we are going to do the business? For the purpose of earning profit. Okay. So without profit there is no business. The main intention of business is going to earn the profit. That's why business should be considered as an economic activity. But here there is no, so any sympathy or any personal relationships are not there in the business. Okay, the main intention is the profit. So there is no any service motive here. Okay, so ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು personal intention ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು sympathy ಆಗಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾವು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲಾಭಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು economic activities ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು business ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ so business is also one of the economic activity. The main intention of business is to earn the profit. Okay, so this is the one characteristics of business. Another one is the business is production and procurement of store the goods in particular place. This is also one of the business activities. So production, procurement of goods and services. So business not only produce the goods or not only sell the goods, but it is also providing services. Okay, here so goods in the sense. Now, for example, in our day-to-day life, we are going to use the multiple products. Okay, so for example, pen, then the board, and daily consumable goods like also including machineries, furniture. These are all those things should be considered as goods. But the services in the sense, for example, banking. Okay, we need money to producing the goods, right? At the time of we are going to conduct in the business activities, we need money. So this money should be provided in the banking. Okay, so banking, transport. Okay, after producing the goods, we are going to transferring the goods from manufacturer to the ultimate consumer, the final consumption. So transportation should be considered as services. Okay, these type of things were considered as services, banking, transportation, like. So on the basis of this, the business can be production, procurement, and the sale of goods and services. So this is also one of the main characteristics of business. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ತಯಾರಿಸಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಶೇಖರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಫೈನಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ರೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಿಸುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. So that's what the production and procurement of goods and services. The next characteristic is sale or exchange of goods and services for the satisfaction of human needs. So this